Is your Mazda infotainment system not turning on or working correctly? Don't worry, often the fix is simple. We'll cover the most common solutions: power resets, fuse checks, and battery resets. These methods address many non-hardware failures, with success rates around 60 to 80%. Mazda's made strides with OTA updates and recalls to improve reliability, but these DIY fixes can often get you back on track. Note this video is up to date as of September 15th, 2025. For newer models, 2024 plus, system stability has improved, but legacy issues can persist in older vehicles. Start with a power reset to clear temporary glitches. Turn off the car, then press and hold the infotainment power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it shuts down. Restart the car afterward. For fuse check, locate the fuse box in the engine bay. Find the fuse labeled infotainment or radio, typically 10 to 15 ACE. If blown, replace with same amperage. Check color codes to ensure correct rating. For battery reset, turn off the car and disconnect the negative battery terminal for 5 to 10 minutes, then reconnect. This resets the ECU. Consult manual for safety. If issues persist, see a technician.